Hey everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we're going to walk through how to fix DaVinci Resolve not opening in Windows 11. If your program just won't launch, don't worry. We've got a few easy fixes you can try. Step 1, open the Start menu and type in Task Manager. Then click on it. Look through the list of running processes to see if DaVinci Resolve is active in the background. If you find it, right-click on it and choose End Task to stop it completely. Step 2, right-click on the DaVinci Resolve icon on your desktop and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab, check both Disable Full Screen Optimizations and Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK, and try opening the program again. Step 3, open the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and click on it. Expand the section called Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and choose Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers to make sure you have the latest version installed. Step 4, in the Start menu, search for Settings and open it. Scroll down on the left, click Windows Update, then hit Check for Updates to make sure your system is fully up to date. Outdated Windows versions can cause compatibility problems with DaVinci Resolve. Step 5, in the Settings window, go to System, then Display, and scroll down to Graphics. Click Add Desktop App to add DaVinci Resolve manually, or minimize this, then right-click DaVinci Resolve's desktop icon, go to Open File Location, and copy the folder path. Click Add again, then paste it into the browse box. Expand Resolve, click Select Power Saving. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful fixes.